saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew.
Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a coloring book for using AI, and then you can sell it on Amazon KDP to earn passive income, even while you sleep. You can try it for free to see how it works. Let's start by checking out some successful coloring book sellers on Amazon KDP. I type coloring book here. Take a look at this one. They've sold $3.99/item for at least 2,973 copies, which means $11,862. That's pretty interesting. Here's another seller. This one sold books to at least 8,257 buyers, $6.99/item, and they've made around $57,716. And there are tons of sellers just like this, making money from their coloring books. But hey, this doesn't happen overnight. You won't get sales the minute you hit publish. It builds up over time. Now here's the fun part. I'm going to share a cool secret with you. You can actually create a coloring book for kids using a free AI tool called coloringbookai. With the free credits, you can try it out and explore its features. And when you're ready to turn this into a side hustle with Amazon KDP, you can upgrade to a paid plan. They even advertise that you can create a 20-page AI coloring book with a flowing story and consistent characters in one click. That sounds awesome, right? Okay, I won't waste your time. Let's jump in and start making a book. But before we do that, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If you could make a coloring book with AI, what theme would you choose? Let me know. Your feedback seriously motivates me to keep making helpful, creative videos for you. All right, let's get started. I'll click Start Free now and try out each feature one by one. First feature, image to coloring pages. Upload an image, click Generate. Okay, that cost me 2 credits. Great, fast generation and really nice quality. What do you guys think? Next up, text to coloring pages. It says, input your imagination, we'll turn them into coloring books. I love it. To get a good prompt, I go over to ChatGPT and ask for 20 coloring book topic ideas for toddlers, ages 2 to 5. Awesome ideas. I pick this one and ask ChatGPT to write me a detailed prompt. Copy, paste it back into coloringbookai, select toddler, set dimensions to default, batch to 1, and hit generate. Now we wait. And done. Overall, this AI generates fast, and I love the results. How about you? Now let's try the one-click story coloring book feature. Step 1, input basic info. Let's hit Inspire Me here and here to see what it comes up with. Hey, that's fun. To set characters and story outline, I go back to ChatGPT and ask, give me 5 character ideas for a toddler coloring book, ages 2 to 5. For each character, write a short story outline, like a cute cat with a long tail who planted a magical seed that quickly grew into a tree bearing all kinds of candy. Another one with, let's go with this one. Copy this one. Paste here and here. I choose 5 pages for now. Set dimensions to default. Click Generate and wait. I'll go with this character. I'm okay with this story outline. Okay, continue. While waiting for the result, I need a cup of coffee. Enjoy this view and morning. I think it's ready now. And here's the result. I love the book cover. Bright, colorful, eye-catching, and the fonts look great with no glitches. Next page. So cute, right? Just imagine having a toddler at home. I'd totally buy this for my kid. It's a beautiful way to teach kids through images and storytelling. Each page connects to the next, forming a simple, heartwarming, and educational story. Now, how do we make money from this? Just like I said earlier, you can upload these books to Amazon KDP and join the growing list of coloring book sellers. The important thing to know is, as of 2025, Amazon doesn't ban you from using AI to create books. And yes, even if you're not in the US, you can still create and sell coloring books on Amazon KDP, as long as you follow KDP's content guidelines. And if your content is AI generated, text or images, you declare it when publishing. There's a checkbox for AI generated content. I've dropped the link to coloringbookai in the video description and pinned it in the comments too. Give it a try. They offer free credits so you can explore it for yourself. Good luck. And if you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. It means a lot to me and helps me stay inspired to create more value-packed videos for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.